So this is one reason why winterizing your RV is so important. You can prevent mice, mold, bugs, busted pipes. The list goes on and on. While some of these details are going to be specific to your RV and you definitely want to check your manual, let's take a look at a few things that apply across the board.
First thing on the list is grabbing an air compressor and a couple of tools to drain the fresh water from the plumbing line. This replaces water in your plumbing line with air so that it can't freeze in the winter. Up next is pouring RV-safe antifreeze down each drain to protect the P-traps throughout the plumbing system.
And for the last time we're going to see this for the season, once you've winterized the P-traps, you want to empty your black and gray tank. This process will vary depending on your RV.
To prevent ants and mice from using your RV as a vacation home during the winter, deep clean your refrigerator, removing all food, and vacuum the entire RV. Up next, we want to inflate the tires to the recommended PSI. If your RV is going to be stored out in the open, consider covering the tires to prevent sun damage. To keep the humidity down, we'll install cordless dehumidifiers throughout the RV. And last on the list is a bath before storage to remove bird mess and sap.
And now you are winterized, making your first spring trip a whole heck of a lot easier. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful, share it with some friends and family that might need the information. See you next time.